Hey there, this is Needs Beardfoot, and today we're making the cartoon banger bag from leather. Get the pattern scaled, printed, cut it out and transferred onto our leather. We're using 2.7 or 7 ounce veg tan leather here. After cutting, we can use our beveler to bevel all the edges. Then we moisten it to prepare it for embossing and punching some holes first. Note that the round holes here are two different sizes. Using a stone and a stamp to get in some decorations. Next we want to dye everything, and since we're doing this only in black, a sponge works perfectly for this. For a little highlights we get some dark gray and dry brush it over it. And in the end it turned out for me that I was too subtle on it in the end and it is barely visible. After this we get some leather finish and put it everywhere. Tap it on to make sure it does not leave any marks on it. Also put it on the edges so you can use the moisture for burnishing. After this, a quick soak in some water to make it ready for shaping. For shaping I like to use my breakfast bow, which is mostly roundish, and I simply press in the pieces on the inside to get this curve in two directions. And these are all the pieces that we need. We got a bunch of these lower parts, also some upper parts. 3 are the same, but these 3 are different. This one has additionally also a skull, but apart from this, it's the same. And this one got 4 holes here, and this one got 1 hole there. Got also some straps and some circles, and that's it. Starting here on the lower part of the banger, here with the 6 identical pieces. We start with small rivets here on the center round holes and just rivet them together. We keep doing this for all the pieces on the lower side. Just rivet them together, then we moisten it from the inside and press them into shape. For the center hole we use this circle and just use some long rivets to rivet it in place. Make sure to get through all the 3 layers. For the other side we got this strap here, which we want to sew on here in the center of any of these pieces. Just pick one of the center holes here. Moisten it and then sew it on. When reaching the end, make sure that 2 pieces overlap by 1 hole. To close these little uneven gaps here a bit more, press in from the inside and outside. Now for the upper part of the body, we got these 6 pieces, and the only important thing is that these 2 pieces, the one with the center hole and the 4 holes, these are on opposite sides. So there are at least 2 other of these pieces in between. Also, when you put them together, make sure they match the up and down part of the lower part. Like when you get this part up, then you also want to have it here similarly, like that it matches. Apart from this, it's exactly the same as on the lower part, just we got 3 rivets to connect this. Also we need a rope, and we want to get it through these 3 holes here. So this rope has to have 3 strands, and we Can burn a little bit for the decoration, but only if it's natural rope and not plastic rope. Make sure it does not fiddle out too much, so get some thread and wave it around it, and then get the 3 strands open and pull them each individually through these center holes here. Then also we got our boom here, and we also want to connect this on the rope. So get the 3 strands through there and tie it on the backside. Then we get this here through the upper piece and also connected with rivets, just exactly as we did before. Also got this other strap and this other circle here. And on the strap we want to moisten it, and one edge we want to bend in and one edge we want to bend out. And we want to bend it in a circle and then sew these pieces together like this. Again, while it's still moist, bend this remaining edge outwards. And then we pull it through there and sew it in place here. Like this. To connect the banger to anything, we got this strap here to connect it to our belt. We rivet it in here on the piece with the 4 holes, but only on 2 holes for the moment. Then we connect both big pieces together, and chances are they won't fit perfectly right away. So we moisten them from the inside along this edge, press them together, let them dry a bit, and then use long rivets to go through each piece, like 3 layers, and connect them. We press together both sides here, make sure that our fastener holes are still aligning, and I'm using as fastener here these LOX fasteners. They are quite easy to assemble and connect and open and everything, and I really like them. Just put them in place, screw them on, and you're done. The first few closing and openings took some practice, but after this, everything worked fine. And this is our cartoon pirate banger bag. Unfortunately, it's too small to fit like your phone or something, but you easily can scale up the pattern without any big issues. And to fit everything that you like 25% additionally, like 125% scale would be great. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know down below in the comments what you think about it, and see you guys next time. Have a great day.